Let's dive right into this explainer and unpack the fascinating paradox of Ar-Rahman. So, why associate ultimate divine mercy with peak human suffering and absolute hardship? It's wild, right?
Look at this timeline. The name Rahman actually spiked when early believers faced their absolutely darkest, most painful days. Here's the difference. Rahman is God's constant, absolute state of mercy. Rahim, that's the active expression of it.
This actually fueled a massive historical conflict. Why did Meccan polytheists violently reject this specific name?
Well, they wanted a secular, hands-off deity. Accepting Rahman meant accepting a God who constantly intervenes and cares.
Saying the basmala totally shatters that illusion. It's a deep, active commitment acknowledging God's constant presence and support.
Take Surah Maryam. It's packed with intense stories of suffering, yet it uses the name Rahman 16 times. From Ibrahim to Muhammad, these prophets faced severe trials, but divine mercy actually guided their ultimate survival.
Think of it like this. Their intense suffering wasn't a punishment at all. It was rigorous divine training.
Which brings us to a really tough question. Can hell itself actually be a manifestation of ultimate mercy?
Consider this shocking metaphor. Hell is basically a spiritual intensive care unit for those unhealed in this world.
Because keeping a soul in existence, even in pain, is a way greater mercy than total, absolute annihilation.
Let's bring this back to you. Your calculating mind is conditional, but your innate human conscience is completely unconditional.
In fact, the conscience is the very dwelling place of Rahman's unconditional mercy, right there inside you.
Ultimately, true believers act like the sun. You've got to shine that unconditional mercy on both roses and thorns alike.
So, if ultimate mercy lives within your conscience, who are you going to shine your unconditional light on today?